Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Uthando Nesithembu. UMaNgwabe called Sneh off for lying about them in a podcast, saying ukuthi uMaNgwabe noMakhomalo, they don't care about her, bamncisha nokudla, they don't give her food, yena uyalamba, and so forth. So uMseleku called a meeting eMzumbe and Sneh, initially lied to Sneh, saying it's a meeting between him and Sneh only, and then Sneh weza ke ku-meeting only to find that uMseleku also invited uMaNgwabe noMakhomalo noMpilo, because Sneh spoke in her podcast saying that she doesn't like uMaNgwabe noMakhomalo noMpilo because apparently uMpilo akamboni, she undermines her, and uMaNgwabe noMakhomalo, they don't like her, they don't even give her food, bamiyeka nje alambe, she starves while they're around because they don't like her. So athi Sneh yena nje, if you call them nanje, I'm gonna leave. Umseleku wathi hayi, just sit again and listen, I'm gonna talk. And then they come in, asho uMseleku ukuthi uSneh uthi yena umile lapho vele, she doesn't like you and all that. Athi uMaNgwabe, I don't understand this thing ukuthi uSneh uphuma njani ukuqamba mangathi. And then athi uyakhuluma uMaNgwabe, uSneh vele athi mana mbali, athi cha, give me a chance to speak, you speak also when I'm done. And then asukuma uSneh and leaves the room. That's disrespectful. And then athi uMaNgwabe asukuma, uMaNgwabe follows her outside. Athi uMakhomalo is better because uMaNgwabe is following her. This thing of her running away is not gonna help. uMaNgwabe amlandela, sister yokubaleka won't help. She must answer. Amlande ke uMaNgwabe ngaphandle, athi Sneh, let's start here. I want you to ngifuna ungiphendule and I want to get my answers today. Athi uyasondela uMaNgwabe. When she approaches uSneh says, don't you dare raise your hand on me. uSneh implying as if uMaNgwabe wamshaya before. Like, I did not get this part. I said, don't you dare ungibeke isandla, don't you dare hit me. And then uMaNgwabe athi cha, I want us to talk. I want you to clarify things for me today. I want my answers. Wena Sneh, did you not live in my house for a whole year? When you fell pregnant and uMacele kicked you out, did you not live in my house for a whole year? Did I not buy you groceries when you were hungry and Macele kicked you out and you had no food, you were starving? I bought you groceries. Athi uSneh yena nje, uMaNgwabe must not brag about the 5 kg of Millie Meal that she bought for her, something that it's not even a lot of things. It was just one plastic bag. It's not even something to brag about. It was just a few things, things that she does not even buy for her house. She can't be bragging about that. It was like things that she could buy for a dog, blah blah blah, like saying so many ungrateful things. And then she starts crying, Snail, like as usual, to stop the conversation. And then uMaNgwabe, yeah, you're so ungrateful, and then uyahambe ukhuluma ngathi uyahambe emadodeni, you go to your man and then come back here and then you blame us for not taking care of you. We take care of you, it's just ungrateful. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.